Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the 5-star any sculpture in Heartopia. So make sure you already this new sculpting hobby like this, just like this. You can still claim this hobby even the snow season already end. You can still claim it. You can just buy the hobby at the NPC Azure, and then after you have this snow, after you have the snow sculpting hobby, and you buy the snow sculpting workbench, you can just do the sculpting and level up your level until it reach level 5. And if you don't know how to unlock or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions below to watch the tutorials. And to get the five star any sculpture, you must sculpt during the correct weather. This one, you can sculpt during the correct weather. It can appear at the sunny and rainbow. So wait for one of these before starting, and then next just begin the snow sculpting minigame, and during the tapping rounds just try to clear as many rounds as possible, and the more rounds you successfully complete, the higher your chances to obtain a perfect 5-star sculpture. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.